As the righty from the stretch strides home the pitch. As ball game started by Thomas Harrington as a 1-0. Dribbled right back towards the mound. Chang off it now, flips into first. Overhand, and now Chang on. First pitch is a curveball, Jeff 5. And the 1-0. Swinging a fly ball, hit well out towards left center field. McGuire in towards the alley, backing up and makes the catch. Stops just shy of the warning track in left center. Walks. Here's the righty left fielder, swings and foul, tips the first pitch. Righty Chang 0-1. Swinging a dribble foul, third base side, with 2 outs in the 8th. The 0-2. And high school. And the 1-2. That's down and in. Outs. The righty sets 2-2. And a fastball just outside. Thought he had it. And the payoff. Swinging a bouncer left side. Shortstop. Delgado charges in, sets his feet low, throw to first, and they got him. A pick and a stretch from Juan Jerez. That's a 1-2-3 fifth. Right-handed batter. First pitch to the righty Chang is in tight for ball 1. Chang lifts 1-0. And fastball Cosnight as a 1-1. Breaking ball, tapped to the third base side. Top play for Forrester, charges in bare hands, throws across his body, and it gets away. Backed up by Harrison, though, so just an infield single for Mosquera. They tagged him just in case to see if he turned it. Involving a dog. His first pitch is a dog that was going to be. As the 0-1 bounces in, good luck from Alfonso. And the 1-1. And that's out to be rookie as a 2-1. Swinging a fly ball, head out towards right field. Palacios backs up on it. Plenty of room, though. Puts it away. Just shy of the warning track. Mosquera retreats last year's team dog, Bucko. First pitch is a foul. I like it, though. 1-0. And Slaughter's outside. 2-0. Tired. 2-0. And swinging a foul back to the screen. It's 2 set from the belt. The 2-1. Swing and a miss. Fastball 92. It's 2-2. In Lucy Mets. 2-2. And a breaking ball called third strike. Down the heart of the plate. Good slaughter there from Hong Long Chang. Gets his first strikeout of the day. And the second out here in the 6th inning. Comes to the dish. Righty-righty matchup. And the first pitch is rope. 0-1. And a fastball hit well in the air to center. McGuire started left, and now he backs up to his left, gets to his spot, and makes the catch in deep right center field. Rosa leads things off on the right side. First pitch in the right-hander is a breaking ball called. Righty's 0-1, and a breaking ball hardly chopped. Here's Chang's 0-2. And check swing, and a foul ball catches Alfonso. Or it hit the batter first, I should say, and then Alfonso. Their 5th straight game. First pitch is a fastball on the outer edge called strike of the season. 0-1. Swinging a pop up behind Tom. Alfonso gives it a look, but time. 0-2. Fastball ripped down and missed for strike 3. Throw to first is late. Righty lifts 0-1. Our first pitch, I'd say, is cut on a miss. Now it's 0-1. They didn't tie for 5th on later in the week, and then 5th from April 9th to the 11th. The 1-1. Breaking ball sliced out towards left center field, and it's in a base hit. In front of Polanco. There's that first and second. As Chang looks a second, and the first pitch is Clearwater and Lakeland. 1-0. Fastball is just 2 wins in those 9. 2-0. Swing and a miss, and a slider down and in. It's 2-1. 2-1. Swing and a miss. As Alfonso is sitting on the backswing as he tried to snap Butcher in July, beginning of August. The ball's rolled. Teams in the other division for Bradenton. 2-2. Swing and a miss. Strike 3. Sensio. First pitch to the righty is pop foul behind about a month and 2 weeks as that ball's line foul. Righty's 0-2. Swinging a ground ball back up the middle. Behind second base, Harrison's there. Takes it to the bag, and that's the inning. No run. Righty Chang set and strides home from the stretch. A fastball called this game. First 3 innings on rehab. The 0-1. Swinging a pop foul first base side with 3 scoreless. The 0-2. That's That's a sharp strike down ball foul. Strikes and Chang's pitch. Swinging a ball line foul first base side. 0-2. And a breaking ball high and in 1-2. Their 5th of the season. 1-2. Swinging a pop up. Left side of the infield. Forrester charges in, calls everybody off, makes the catch. Went to the mound of the last week on back-to-back days against Fort Myers. First pitch to lefty barrels, a curveball low for ball 1. Across 3 different days, Wednesday through Friday, 1-0. And swing and a miss. The 1-1. Swinging a pop up again, third base side, Forrester. He straddles the line now in a foul territory, back towards the line, makes the catch. And foul ground. As Chang's first pitch, he tugs a fastball down and away for ball 1. 2-4-0, but they were rained out on Sunday, so they didn't play. And the 1-0 is down. Was in the Marlins organization before. 2-0's fouled off Houck's ankle. And the 2-1. Fastball, floating series victory, 2-2. And down. Payoff from Chang. And swinging a line drive out towards left field, base hit. Blanco ranges towards the line, scoops it up. Just the 4th hit today for St. Lucie. First pitch to the righty. They swung on the line out towards left field. That's a base hit. Houck advances to second. And Baez is aboard 3 times today. First pitch to the righty is whiffed out. The 0-1. And that's single A so far. The 1-1. Swinging a chopper foul. 1-2. Swinging a topper foul, third base. Chang looks at second, 1-2. And that's a curveball, Triple A Syracuse. 2-2. Swinging a line drive foul back. St. Louis. 2-2. Swinging a miss. He got him. And Chang gets out of the jam in the 8th. His 4th punch out of the day. We move on to the bottom. From the belt. And the 0-1. Ball in the dirt. It's 1-1. The 1-1. Check swing off the knob of the bat on the first base side. Chang glove flip to first base. And they get him by a few steps. And now they're at the top of the 9th. As first pitch, swing and a miss for strike 17th. They've been great in May. As the 0-1 slap foul, third base side. 0-2 from Chang. Bounces in, 1-2. Is 1-2. Swinging a slow roll to first. Charging in is Jerez. Fields the shoe tops, taking himself. First pitch to the lefty. Pitch home is low. And the Florida State League. Swing and a miss. Chang looking to finish his outing strong. The pitch. Swinging a foul back. 5. A 1-2. Fastball sails high, 2-2. 8. 3-2. Swinging a ground ball to first. Speared by Jerez. He takes to the base, and that's the ball game. A 1-2-3 9th for Hong Long Chang, and Bradenton has their 5th shutout win. They win 4-0 on this Tuesday night to take game 1 of this 6-game series.